Cecht chéige seacht, 57. An cúigiú dícléine. Well, this is sort of the catch-all bucket for anything that doesn't fit the other categories, basically. You really just have to study them. They're common words. They're both masculine and feminine. They all have varieties of genitive forms. And a lot of them have the acha ending for plurals, but not every one. They're all a little weird. So you just have to study them. But most of them are pretty common words that you'll hear and use. Some of them are kind of like opposite of what you might expect. For instance, those that end in a slender, like on awin, becomes nahawan with a broad ending, and nahavneka with the acha plural on most of them. There are some that don't have that type of plural, like on braher, which slender ending becomes broad ending in the genitive, on vraher, masculine noun this time, and nabrahr. That has that little phenomenon at the end where the vowel and the consonant flip places, kind of inverts. And that also happens in anga, on anga, the fingernail, nahangen, that's just got its own genitive, and nahingna, well, there you have also, it drops, it becomes a slender vowel, but it also has that inversion of the consonant and the vowel at the end. Then there's some that just don't, now it does that also. But kara is a peculiar one. Ankara, ancharid, the genitive, which also used to be the genitive plural, so it gets confusing. And nakerja, just totally random. But also sort of has that inversion of the consonant and vowel at the end. So this is just a chapter you have to study the nouns, study the paradigm, and use them. Use them, use them, use them. That's how you learn them. That's how you remember them. Okay?